Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in F6 Online Sport and Assignments tutorial for week 8. I am Zubair Zak from ABS Taktamni. The grade is 8 and subject is Biology. Recipe is chapter number 3, Biodiversity, and objective is to understand about the 5 kingdom system of classification from textbook pages 37 to 38. And now it's time to discuss the tasks 2, that is to understand about the 5 kingdoms. First one kingdom is Kingdom Monera. It includes prokaryotic organisms. They are made of prokaryotic cells. Monerons are unicellular, although some types form chains, clusters, or colonies of cells. Prokaryotic cells are radically different from eukaryotic cells. Most are heterotrophic, but some perform photosynthesis because they have chlorophyll in their cytoplasm. Within this kingdom, there are 2 different kinds of organisms: bacteria and cyanobacteria. Kingdom Protista. It includes eukaryotic unicellular and simple multicellular organisms. There are 3 main types of protists: algae, protozoans, and some protists. Algae are unicellular, colonial, or simple multicellular. They resemble plant cells with cell walls and chlorophyll in chloroplasts. Simple multicellular means that they don't have multicellular sex organs and do not form embryos during their life cycle. Protozoans resemble animals whose cells lack chlorophyll and cell walls. Some protists are fungi-like. Kingdom Fungi. It includes eukaryotic multicellular heterotrophs which are absorptive in their nutritional mode. Mushrooms. Most fungi are decomposers. So mushrooms are the examples of fungi. They live on organic matter, secrete digestive enzymes, and absorb small organic molecules formed by the digestion by enzymes. Kingdom Plantae. It includes eukaryotic multicellular autotrophs. Plants are autotrophic in nutritional mode, making their own food by photosynthesis. Plants have multicellular sex organs and form embryos during their life cycles. Mosses, ferns, and flowering plants are included in this kingdom. Kingdom Animalia. It includes eukaryotic multicellular consumers. Consumers mean that they depend upon each other for food. Animals live mostly by ingesting food and digesting within specialized cavities. They lack cell wall and show movements. Biologists believe that Kingdom Protista evolved from Monera and then it gave rise to other 3 eukaryotic kingdoms: fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. And here is a quick recap of this lecture. In Kingdom Monera, cell type is prokaryotic, while in Kingdom Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia, it is eukaryotic. In Kingdom Monera, nuclear envelope is absent, while in Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia, it is present. The cell wall of Monera is non-cellulose. Cell wall of Protista present in some forms. Cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Cell wall of Plantae is made up of cellulose and polysaccharides. And cell wall is absent in Animalia. Mode of nutrition. Monerons are autotrophs or heterotroph. Protista are photosynthetic or heterotroph. Fungi are absorptive heterotroph. Plantae are photosynthetic. Animalia are ingestive heterotroph. And multicellularity is absent in Monera. While it is present, it is also absent in most forms in Protista, and it is present in fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. It is present in most forms. Now it's time to share the home tasks for the day 2 that are you have to read and memorize the significant concepts from textbook pages 37 to 39. You have to write about the characteristics of Monera, Protista, fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. Did you know that all these plants are autotrophic? Autotrophic means that they prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. And these animals are heterotrophic because they depend upon others for food. They are included in kingdom Plantae. And these plants are included in kingdom Plantae. Are you able to observe the bracket fungi that is growing on this dead decaying log? These fungi are growing and taking benefit of food by secreting digestive enzymes. Just have a close look of this bracket fungi. It was growing on the bark of this tree and it was decomposing the wood. These fungi are included in decomposers and they are decomposing. They decompose the wooden log by secreting digestive enzymes. So that was all about 5 kingdom system of classification. Thank you and have a nice day.